Welcome to the module on pharmacovigilance. After completing this module on pharmacovigilance, you will be able to define adverse event, that is AE, and adverse drug reaction, that is ADR. List the needs of AE reporting, state the importance of AE reporting, identify the available resources and methodologies of AE reporting. List the minimum criteria for AE reporting. Outline the AE reporting process. Pharmacovigilance is equivalent to drug safety. The word pharmacovigilance is derived from the Greek word pharmakon, meaning drug, and the Latin word vigilare, meaning to keep watch. It is the science of detecting, collecting, assessing, monitoring, and preventing adverse effects caused due to pharmaceutical products or other medical errors. Drug-related adverse events can be subdivided into adverse event and adverse drug reaction. Adverse event is any untoward medical occurrence in a patient or a clinical investigation subject administered a pharmaceutical product and which does not necessarily have to have a causal relationship with this treatment. Adverse drug reaction is an adverse event for which a causal relation with the drug cannot be ruled out. This includes an unfavorable and unintended health sign, example, an abnormal laboratory finding, disease symptoms associated temporarily with the drug, other symptoms that may or may not be related to the drug. Examples of adverse events include cough, death, headache, rash, hepatotoxicity, car accident, heart attack, tachycardia, diabetes, abortion, drowsiness, vomiting, stroke, pneumonia, anxiety, and renal failure. You may wonder how car accident is an adverse event. Certain drugs may cause disorientation or drowsiness and thus may cause a car accident while driving or even for that matter when you are walking. Many prescribing information warn extra caution when driving. Some drugs may also elevate blood sugar and cause poor glycemic control. So diabetes is also categorized as an adverse event if it has occurred after administration of the drug. Adverse event reporting is required to protect the patient, the company, and the product. There are regulations and legislations enacted by the Indian government to ensure the safety, efficacy, and quality of the drugs, cosmetics, and medical devices. It is mandatory for the employees of FDC Limited to report the adverse events of the drug marketed by the company. Bearing in mind the regulations and legislations enacted by the Indian government and the close monitoring of adverse event by the Drug Controller General of India to protect and promote public health, the need and importance of adverse event reporting is indispensable. Adverse effect reporting is important to fully understand the safety profile of the drug, ensure patient or consumer safety, assess the benefit risk profile of the drug, ensure FDC Limited meets worldwide safety reporting requirements and meet local regulatory requirements. The sources that you should report an adverse event when you come across it are consumers, patients, relatives of the patient, quality assurance, media, health authority, license partner, clinical trials, post-marketing surveillance, literature reports, healthcare professionals such as doctor, nurse, pharmacist, medical information, call center, patient support programs, company website, company sponsored website and market research. Reports may come to you from various sources depending on the work function that you are involved with or may even come from your social network. You will forward the same reports through available resources like email, telephone, and website. Adverse events can be reported using various resources. Contact backup support by telephone or write your queries to the dedicated email address to the contact person for drug safety. There is a dedicated email for your drug safety queries. Write queries to the dedicated email ID only. This is because if the primary contact for drug safety goes on leave or is unavailable, information can be accessed by the backup. Also, in the absence of the drug safety manager, please contact the backup support. Advanced event monitoring is crucial. Hence, do not wait till the primary drug safety contact is back. Minimum 4 criteria should be met for reporting. They are name of the drug, adverse event, identifiable patient, identifiable reporter. If you are not able to collect detailed complete information on the adverse event, you should report the information as long as you are able to forward the minimum criteria for reporting. You may collect the follow-up information and provide additional information later for the same adverse event. Only drugs marketed by FDC Limited is to be taken into consideration. Any adverse event notice should be taken into consideration immediately. Information comprises patient's initials, age, and gender. Information comprises reporter's name and contact details. Prevention is better than being sorry. Even if you feel the case to be doubtful, you must not hesitate to report the case if the 4 criteria are met. You must report even if you are not certain whether the product has caused an adverse event. Even if the adverse event is not serious and even if you do not have all the information related to the adverse event. Adverse event reporting process explains what happens when an adverse event is forwarded to the head office. All serious AEs, ADRs, expected, unexpected, must be reported to the regulatory authority within 15 calendar days of initial receipt of the information by the MAHS. All non-serious AEs, ADRs must be reported to the regulatory authority within 30 calendar days of initial receipt of the information by the MAHS. It is mandatory for all employees to report adverse events to drug marketed by FDC Limited within 24 hours from the time of initial receipt from the reporter. Initial receipt date is the date when an adverse event or other important event is reported to the FDC Limited employee. Do not wait for follow-up or clarification of data items before sending the initial report as soon as possible to fulfill the 4 minimal criteria. You have reached the end of this module. Here is a recap of the key points covered in this module. Pharmacovigilance is the pharmacological science of detecting, collecting, assessing, monitoring, and preventing adverse effects caused due to pharmaceutical products or other medical errors. Adverse event is an untoward medical occurrence in a patient or a clinical investigation subject administered a pharmaceutical product. Adverse drug reaction is an adverse event for which a causal relation with the drug cannot be ruled out. Adverse event reporting protects the patient, product, and company. The minimum 4 criteria for adverse event reporting include name of the FDC manufactured drug, adverse event, identifiable patient, and identifiable reporter. All serious and unexpected adverse events have to be reported to the health authority. It is mandatory for all employees to report adverse events to drugs marketed by FDC Limited within 24 hours from the time of initial receipt from the reporter. To report suspected adverse reactions, contact FDC Limited at drug.safety@fdcindia.com or report online at this website address or report at toll-free number 1800 266 9347.